The Gen 3 upgrade emphasizes significant enhancements in mobility, enabling the robot to navigate stairs with remarkable ease. This capability is particularly vital for users encountering mobility challenges, thereby facilitating effective operation in diverse real-world settings. In addition to mobility improvements, safety enhancements are paramount. By doubling the number of joints and integrating sensors tailored for delicate tasks, this robot is equipped to assist in kitchen environments without posing risks of harm. Such features contribute to building trust among families who care for elderly loved ones. Furthermore, the robot's advanced fall detection system, coupled with its IP54 sealing, plays a critical role in elder care. These elements ensure rapid responsiveness to emergencies across various environments, addressing the pressing need for constant vigilance in caregiving practices. Moreover, the second-generation Optimus robot achieved an impressive 94% success rate in task completion, underscoring its advanced independence and adaptability to varying environments. Such performance illustrates a significant leap in the capabilities of robotic technology. Elon Musk anticipates that Optimus could potentially generate revenue surpassing that of Tesla's vehicles, with a market price projected around $20,000, substantially lower than previous estimates. This pricing strategy holds the potential to revolutionize the execution of everyday tasks. The third-generation Optimus introduces considerable upgrades, including a lighter design and enhanced energy efficiency. By integrating technology from Tesla vehicles, these improvements aim to elevate both performance and user experience. Elon Musk posits that Tesla's bot stands as the most advanced humanoid robot to date, with aspirations for a production cost of merely $10,000. This level of affordability is critical for achieving substantial market penetration. Optimus, the Tesla bot, is meticulously designed to manage a variety of household tasks, thereby demonstrating its potential impact on everyday life. This versatility accentuates its significance within the broader context of AI innovation. However, the Tesla bot's reliance on teleoperation invites scrutiny regarding its autonomy, mirroring the learning processes observed in children. Effective guidance remains essential for fostering its independent operational capabilities. The Tesla bot enhances household efficiency by performing various tasks, thereby reducing human labor needs and generating substantial long-term savings. This innovation may fundamentally change our perception of domestic assistance. Elon Musk envisions a future where mass production of the Optimus robot will make it more affordable, opening the door for broader consumer access and transforming the humanoid robot market. In terms of cost-effectiveness, purchasing a Tesla bot could save users over $40,000 compared to traditional caregiving methods, highlighting its economic benefits in the long run. Financing for the Optimus Gen 3 includes attractive options such as low or zero interest plans and trade-in credits for older mobility devices, enhancing its affordability and expanding market access. Major companies, including Amazon and Walmart, recognize the advantages of robotic efficiency, becoming early adopters despite the initial costs. Their focus remains on operational efficiency and labor reduction. Tesla also introduces a rental program for the Optimus, allowing users to experience the technology before making a financial commitment. This aims to build consumer trust and showcase the robot's functionality. The engineering challenge of creating a humanoid robot capable of complex tasks, such as cooking or dancing, underscores significant advancements in AI, necessitating extensive calibration and learning abilities. The Gen 3 robot features a carbon titanium composite frame, ensuring it remains lightweight and strong, which aids in maneuvering through confined spaces while ensuring user safety. With a power consumption reduction of 30% compared to its predecessor, Gen 3 can operate efficiently without escalating household energy bills, making it particularly advantageous for budget-conscious families. Musk's ambition for mass production aims for thousands of units by year-end, with a long-term vision of reaching 1 million annually, reflecting Tesla's commitment to advancing this technology. The integration of xAI's Grok voice assistant in Optimus 5.3 boosts its capabilities, enabling multilingual communication and online learning, thus enhancing its intelligence and adaptability. Optimus 5.3 has the potential to learn from videos and adapt to a diverse array of tasks, which could significantly redefine the role of robots within households, expanding their practical applications. Designed to respond to voice commands and interpret gestures, Optimus proves especially beneficial for individuals with communication difficulties, making it a versatile tool in various settings. The robot's advanced capabilities allow it to undertake complex tasks, such as cooking and fixing light fixtures, substantially alleviating daily burdens and enhancing its utility in household management. Musk envisions utilizing Optimus to take over mundane and hazardous tasks, potentially transforming labor dynamics as it becomes a commonplace assistant for cooking and caregiving in homes. Optimus's autonomous navigation showcases its sophisticated functionality, making it suitable not only for factories but also for homes, retail environments, and public spaces. Tesla has notably enhanced Optimus's hands, providing it with 22 degrees of freedom which enable it to perform delicate tasks, essential for effective household chores. Musk's vision for Optimus extends to replacing tedious or hazardous jobs, emphasizing its potential to assist not only in households but also contribute economically. The Gen 3 model is engineered to handle over 1,000 distinct household tasks, highlighting its adaptability and advanced capabilities in practical scenarios, including cleaning and caregiving. Musk aims for Optimus to simplify life for all 8 billion people on Earth, suggesting that robot assistants could take over daily chores at an affordable price. The learning process for Optimus involves repetitive observation and practice, allowing it to swiftly acquire new skills, which marks a significant leap forward in robotics technology. With its ability to issue reminders and engage in light conversation, Optimus provides crucial support for seniors living alone, greatly improving their daily quality of life, particularly for those experiencing memory loss. Optimus Gen 3's advanced cooking features include personalized meal preparation based on dietary requirements, adjusting recipes through its sensors and AI to ensure optimal results. The robot applies sophisticated navigation and cleaning methods, utilizing 360-degree sensors to efficiently manage household tasks. This capability saves families considerable time, fostering a manageable daily routine. Optimus incorporates 8 wide-angle cameras and sensors to detect potential hazards in real time, significantly enhancing safety in both residential and office contexts. Tesla seeks to mass-produce Optimus, targeting thousands of units by 2025, signaling a pivotal transition from development phases to practical applications in homes and workplaces. The robot's adaptable design allows it to navigate various terrains, demonstrating its ability to balance and maneuver around obstacles, which is essential for real-world effectiveness. Public perception of humanoid robots exhibits considerable variability. Some individuals express apprehension regarding potential job displacement, while others readily embrace the convenience and efficiency that these technologies provide. This divergent response underscores broader societal concerns regarding technology's evolving role within the workforce. Elon Musk envisions a future where robots are rendered accessible, with anticipated prices falling below $20,000. Such a price point transforms robotics from a luxury good to a more practical option for families and individuals, facilitating broader adoption within the consumer market. The considerable potential of Optimus as a valuable household assistant is underscored by its remarkable ability to learn from online videos. This distinctive learning capability not only enhances its versatility but also enables it to efficiently adapt to a myriad of tasks encountered in daily life. Moreover, Optimus's proficiency in understanding simple voice commands allows it to execute tasks with remarkable ease. This capability signifies a substantial advancement over traditional robots, which often necessitate intricate coding for operation. Furthermore, the robot's two-handed coordination significantly improves its dexterity, enabling it to perform increasingly complex actions compared to earlier models that relied on single-hand operations. This development marks a notable evolution in robotic functionality. Tesla's innovative training methodology empowers Optimus to acquire new skills by observing instructional videos. This approach accelerates the task acquisition process, allowing for efficient simulation prior to real-world application. Optimus utilizes a distinctive learning model that enhances its operational capabilities through continuous error correction. This mechanism affords a level of consistency that surpasses even that of human experts, establishing Optimus as a reliable assistant across various environments. Constructed from advanced materials such as 7075, T6 aluminum and carbon fiber reinforced polymer, Optimus is designed to ensure both durability and agility for prolonged use. This material selection contributes significantly to its anticipated operational lifespan of up to 24 years. Powering Optimus are Tesla's proprietary 4,680 battery cells, engineered for both longevity and stable performance. These batteries exhibit remarkable capacity retention, ensuring continuous and efficient operation over an extended period. Additionally, the intelligent self-preservation system embedded within Optimus enables it to detect wear and make real-time adjustments, thereby protecting its hardware from potential degradation. This capability not only enhances overall efficiency but also bolsters reliability during operation. Optimus's modular architecture further facilitates seamless part replacements. This design feature minimizes maintenance costs and extends the robot's lifespan, enabling users to undertake minor repairs without the need to disassemble the entire system. Lastly, Tesla's stringent stress testing regimen, which encompasses extreme temperature variations and comprehensive digital simulations, plays a critical role in identifying weaknesses early in the development process. Such rigorous evaluation ensures that Optimus remains functional and efficient throughout its operational lifespan. Competitors such as Unitree Robotics and Agility Robotics present lower-priced models that have already demonstrated their efficiency through various field tests. This reality raises significant concerns regarding the competitive edge of Tesla's Optimus. While the basic Tesla Optimus is positioned as an affordable option, it appears primarily engineered for simpler tasks. Consequently, this may lead to disappointment among those anticipating advanced functionalities reminiscent of renowned science fiction robots. The unveiling of the Tesla Diner, where Optimus actively served popcorn, served as a compelling demonstration of the robot's engaging social interactions and practical capabilities. This event effectively captured public interest and showcased Optimus in a real-world setting. Optimus is engineered to undertake both simple and complex tasks, encompassing activities such as cooking, cleaning, and even tutoring children. This versatile design aims to simplify daily life for users. Elon Musk posits that Optimus will take over dull or hazardous tasks traditionally performed by humans, thereby offering a safer and more efficient alternative for managing everyday responsibilities. Despite the prevalent skepticism surrounding its pricing and functionality, the potential for Optimus to conserve time, energy, and financial resources resonates with many consumers who prioritize convenience. The Optimus V3 impressively showcases features such as AI integration and autonomous navigation, which reflect Tesla's dedication to practical applications in everyday environments. This innovative approach distinctly differentiates it from its competitors. Specifically designed for home environments, Optimus is constructed to be non-intimidating and quiet. By avoiding hydraulic actuators, Tesla emphasizes a user-friendly experience, underscoring its focus on consumer comfort. Elon Musk's pricing strategy involves setting the cost of Optimus at approximately $20,000, significantly lower than conventional vehicles. This strategic pricing aims to stimulate high demand and pre-orders, potentially surpassing the sales figures of the Cybertruck. Tesla's existing resources, which include advanced battery technology and AI expertise, play a crucial role in supporting the production of Optimus. This robust foundation not only makes ambitious pricing feasible but also accelerates the overall development process. Optimus has already showcased remarkable capabilities in real-world environments, effectively executing tasks that necessitate high precision and agility, challenges that previous models struggled to manage outside of controlled settings. Elon Musk envisions a future where Optimus has the capacity to handle multiple tasks concurrently, thereby enhancing its utility across various service settings. This vision potentially engenders significant consumer interest and a surge in pre-orders. Redesign of Optimus Gen 3 demonstrates a remarkable reduction in components, decreasing from over 600 to under 200. This significant transformation enhances assembly speed and markedly reduces the requirements for manual labor. Consequently, it establishes a foundation for accelerated production timelines. In addition, the employment of advanced 3D printing techniques by Tesla plays a crucial role in minimizing material waste and shortening the production cycle. This innovative process effectively transitions from initial design to functional parts, thereby supporting the company's high-volume manufacturing ambitions. Such an approach not only optimizes resource utilization but also promotes overall efficiency. Moreover, Tesla's integration of existing automotive technology into the production of robots significantly reduces capital expenditures, all while upholding rigorous quality standards and minimizing potential errors. This strategic choice capitalizes on existing infrastructure, facilitating rapid deployment within the market. Furthermore, Elon Musk asserts that Optimus will become the largest product ever developed, with projections estimating the production of up to 1 million units by the year 2027. This ambitious goal has the potential to reshape the structure of the labor force. In contrast, Tesla's employment of automation technologies derived from automotive manufacturing starkly differs from the manual assembly approach adopted by companies like Boston Dynamics. This strategic differentiation significantly reduces production costs, thereby enhancing Tesla's competitive standing in the industry. Additionally, the GigaPress contributes to the acceleration of component manufacturing for Optimus by enabling the rapid casting of parts. This advancement in technology not only increases assembly speed but also enhances overall efficiency when compared to competitors. Elon Musk sets an ambitious target for the production cost of Optimus Gen 3, aiming to bring it below $20,000. This strategic pricing initiative would make the robot more accessible compared to existing models, such as Boston Dynamics Spot, thereby reflecting Tesla's commitment to democratizing robotic technology. Moreover, Tesla's utilization of pre-existing automotive hardware and software, including the full self-driving chip, substantially reduces development costs. This strategy not only enhances efficiency but also capitalizes on the advantages presented by the company's existing supply chain. The prospective business model for Optimus envisions subscription services or rental options, enabling customers to access the robot affordably. This innovative approach not only expands Tesla's market reach but also creates a sustainable long-term revenue stream that extends beyond mere hardware sales. The incorporation of ultralight polymer composites in the shell design confers enhanced durability and flexibility, all while ensuring that the robot maintains a weight substantially lower than its competitors. This material selection represents a pivotal advancement in the field of robotics. In addition, the seamless modular structure of the shell promotes easier maintenance and facilitates individual part replacements. This design choice ensures that the robot remains operational with minimal downtime, thereby enhancing overall productivity. Advanced manufacturing techniques, including injection molding, effectively streamline the production process. These methods significantly reduce both time and material waste, ultimately enhancing cost efficiency and scalability within Tesla's operations. By optimizing the use of ultralight polymer composites in the shell design, Tesla achieves not only a reduction in weight but also an increase in flexibility, ultimately enhancing both durability and operational safety.
This strategic material quasi underscores a transformative shift in robotics manufacturing.
Furthermore, Tesla's automated shell painting process significantly diminishes labor costs and production time, thus enabling swift adjustments to shifting market demands. This efficiency provides Tesla with a competitive advantage over traditional manufacturing methods. The in-house fabrication of robot shell molds empowers Tesla to execute rapid design iterations. This capability allows the company to quickly respond to specific market needs, underscoring agility as a critical factor in maintaining a leadership position within the robotics industry. Additionally, the shell's design accommodates quick rebranding through the use of affordable decals. This feature enables companies to modify the robot's appearance without incurring extensive retooling or warranty complications, thereby enhancing operational efficiency. Tesla's approach to shell durability also includes provisions for easy panel replacements in case of cosmetic damage. This design consideration effectively reduces maintenance time and costs, resulting in higher operational uptime for businesses utilizing these robots. Finally, localized customization options afforded by Tesla enable the company to meet diverse market demands without altering the core functionalities of the robots. This level of adaptability provides a competitive edge in the global deployment of robotic technology. The shared economy model for robots closely resembles successful platforms such as Uber and Airbnb, which have notably reduced personal asset ownership in urban settings. This innovative trend holds the potential to be replicated with Tesla Optimus robots. Furthermore, the introduction of public Optimus robots could have a transformative impact on various sectors, including hospitality and healthcare. By streamlining operations and enhancing customer experiences, these robots could effectively address the increasing demand in these industries. In addition to their operational benefits, renting Optimus robots for household chores offers individuals the opportunity to reclaim valuable time. This service is particularly beneficial for busy families and single parents, enabling them to prioritize personal pursuits. Moreover, Optimus robots possess the capacity to significantly enhance labor productivity in sectors such as service and logistics. Research indicates that they could potentially increase efficiency by as much as 30%, thereby alleviating workforce shortages. These robots also contribute to environmental sustainability initiatives by actively participating in recycling and waste management efforts. Their involvement can assist cities in achieving their green goals with greater effectiveness. Nonetheless, the public deployment of these robots presents challenges, including potential job displacement and privacy concerns. This necessitates the development of robust policies and regulations to ensure their safe and ethical integration into society. The advanced capabilities of neural networks and machine learning allow Optimus to adeptly adapt to manufacturing and healthcare roles, significantly reducing the occurrence of workplace injuries. This adaptability is paramount in the context of modern automation. Constructed from resilient materials such as 7075, T6 aluminum alloy and carbon fiber reinforced polymer, Optimus is engineered for enduring performance under the rigors of daily use. This durability ensures the robot's reliability over an extended lifespan. Additionally, the optimization for energy efficiency through an advanced battery management system enhances the robot's operational longevity. This allows for effective functioning